I did get cut off. I thought I would get cut off, but let's carry on. So let's focus on this icon. So we're gonna look at this icon and we're gonna click on the path while it's changed. And as you can see, the cursor now is now flashing, and we can type anything we want. And it's on the bottom of the line, and I'll explain why in a second. So what we're going to do is, it looks a mess, don't worry. Yours may be on top, but it's because I've been experimenting. So let me just sort this out. I'm going to go to the character dialog box. If you can't see that, it's like an A with a line next to it. If you can't see that, go to Window, go down to Character, make sure it's selected, and I'm just going to move this so I can get it on top. Let's go with this. And then I'm going to move it along somewhere like that. That's not looking too bad. Okay, and you can experiment with this. You can change the size of the text. You can do various things with the character dialog box. You just have to experiment. Excuse me. So we're going to leave that like that for now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to transform this path to try and get it so I can make another selection the opposite way round, like the t-shirt. Just bear with me for a second. I'm just going to press Control or Command and T, and I'm going to move this down. Now I'm going to right click and flip vertical to change the selection. Now as you can see, the path now is the other way round. So I'm going to press on the tick to commit those changes, and it's moved, which I didn't want. So Control or Command and Z to go back a step. So let's try something else. Let's go Control J to duplicate the layer, and Control and T, and then right click to flip vertical. Okay, there we go. So now we have a copy of the first word we done on that path. We flip the path, and now we just have to work on this word to get the spacing correct. So again, click on your character box, and we can then adjust where we want it by this. There's like a capital A with a very small a with the arrow underneath, and we can just adjust it until it's roughly in the right place. And somewhere there is great. And there we go. Let's just click on path and get off there. And now we can select both of these layers with obey on them. So click on the top one, then shift click on the second one, and then press Control and A to select all, and then we're going to click on the move tool, which is the top one here, and click on this middle icon here to center them words. Because we have the layers selected, it's going to move just what's on them layers. So now they're in the middle, we can Control and D to deselect, and there we go, Ryan. I know that's very basic, and I went through it very quickly. If you have any questions, please go onto my channel or send me an email or whatever. As for the symbol that you had on, or you wanted to know about on the t-shirt, you'll have to think about the copyright. Maybe you can just copy or go and search a website for them logos for a free logo, and then put it onto your t-shirt. But again, this is very quick, some very simple tools in Photoshop, and I do appreciate I've gone through them very quickly. But please let me know what you think. If this is the kind of videos you would like, then I'm happy to do some more for you. So just watch the videos a few times, experiment. If you do anything wrong, don't worry, just start again. It's no problem. And get in touch and let me know how you get on. So take care. My name's Rob, and I'll hopefully get in contact with you soon. Just take care. Let me know how you get on. Okay, mate? Okay. See you soon. Bye bye.